Oh, you can open cover now, it's okay. You can open cover now. He doesn't look anymore. Yeah, he... Then you can hide again. See towards my angles. See towards my angles. Oh, what the fuck? Camera! What the fuck? Yo! Yo! If I have to go to, if I have to go to, if I have to go to prisons with you, I'm gonna kill myself first before this happens, okay? And you're fucking running around, mother god! I'm gonna kill myself first before I have to do this. Imagine this is real life. Let's kill. Put down. Doesn't matter. Now I have to head to the back room first, which is this door. Oh, this must be locked. Yeah, this one's locked.
What are you doing? Get the hell back to work.
But there's a problem with the washing machine over there.
Oh yeah? What's the problem?
It's, broken. I don't know.
Doesn't look broken. Stop lying. Get back to work.
Wait. Okay, come close to the gate. Just come close the door here, so we can open the door. I'm gonna lure the...
What are you doing? Get the hell back to work.
But can't you see there's a fight going on over there?
Where?
The people over there.
What? They're not fighting.
Okay, I have to incinerate a fight. Listen, you have to listen. That little room up there is the one you have to put the shit in. But you have to get me inside the room first because so I can boost you up there. Yeah? Okay.
Hey.
No. Stay there.
What'd he say?
He said something about your mother, and let me tell you, it wasn't pretty.
Your mom.
Hey, asshole.
Oh.
Talking shit about my mom?
You talking about shit about my mom?
Shit about
What the fuck you say to me?
mom.
Come on.
Oh, the mom you always
little
work.
bitch.
Yay! Haha.
What the hell? Break it up, guys.
Open the door.
Enough. Get out of the way. Come on now.
When he's
Get
leaving.
off each other. Stop.
Quickly. Okay, I want to give you some cookies after this, okay? Thank you. Okay, nice. Nah, you're not looking. What you? Walk like a man.
There's the
No
mat.
hiding.
Now we need to put the sheets into it.
Yeah, no. Get up. Get up first. Yeah, that's it.
Hey Vincent, give me some sheets.
On it.
Yeah. What? Fuck. Oh.
Come on, bring me some sheets.
Last one. Oh, how do we get out? Ay. Sneaky.
All right. That should do it.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Yeah, they have no choice anyway.
Not a fan of heights?
So, you want first or I first?
We'll hold together then.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, it's cheats,
Let's go.
not a rope. You never know. Oh, shit.
Come on, I swear to God. If I get 1 cookies for every single time you're trying to throw, I'm not gonna need to my food anymore.